Hello everyone, my name is Ifeanyi and I'm a food and nutrition professional as well as a personal trainer based in Los Angeles, California. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a brief tour of my home gym as well as the type of workouts that we can do here. Okay, so this piece of equipment that we have right here is a multifunctional piece of equipment where you can do leg extensions at the bottom right here, or you can do preacher curls if you want to get bigger arms. So I'm going to give you guys a demonstration of the preacher curls. Okay, so let's assume that most people actually know what this piece of equipment is here, which is the treadmill. Most people like to use the treadmill the traditional way, but here in my personal gym, I actually like to use it to work on my abs. Okay, so this is actually another multifunctional piece of equipment right here where you can actually do pull-ups, or you can do dips, or you can do leg raises. I'm going to show you guys how I do dips on this piece of equipment. This is actually a really cool piece of equipment. This is a sissy squat machine. I like to do this workout when I don't feel like doing a regular squat. The sissy squat is a lot easier to use and build your way up to a regular squat. You lock your legs in here and you just come down low and use your own body weight to come back up. You're gonna slowly come down with your own body weight and come back up. And just repeat that over and over. This works out your core as well as your leg muscles. Okay, so the next piece of equipment that we're gonna discuss are the dumbbells. This is actually probably one of my favorite pieces of equipment because there's so many things that you can do with it. Today I'm just gonna show you guys some traditional curls. Okay, so the next piece of equipment that we're going to discuss is the kettlebell. The kettlebell comes in all different sizes. I have a 75-pound kettlebell, and today I'm going to show you the way I use it. Okay, so I know I mentioned that other pieces of equipment were my favorite, but this one's actually my main favorite piece of equipment. This is actually a power rack. Some people also call it a power cage. There's so many different attachments that you can add on to this to accomplish different workouts. Today I'm going to show you guys an example of one workout that I do, and there's going to be hanging leg raises. All right, so when it comes to cardio, my ultimate favorite workout is jump ropes. Some people also call it skipping rope. This one gets your heart rate up and helps you burn the extra calories that you want to lose. All right, so that concludes the end of our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and able to see the type of equipment and the type of exercises that you can do at home or with me when you train with me. But until next time, I want you guys to keep working on your personal goals, keep working on your body goals. Peace out.